modern combat doctrine, the first rule is reduce the risk of casualties. For dangerous battlefield clearing and terrain engineering missions, the order is now clear. Send the robots first. In modern combat doctrine, the first rule is reduce the risk of casualties. For dangerous battlefield clearing and terrain engineering missions, the order is now clear. Send the robots first. Breaching is a mission to break through enemy defenses, be it minefields, barbed wire, or booby-trapped trenches. Normally, these missions are very risky. But with Ultra AGV, these robots move with full autonomy, charting safe paths and destroying obstacles without a single soldier being exposed to danger. Not only do they open roads, these robots also carry out terrain shaping and counter mobility. This means that they can independently manipulate the battlefield landscape to lock enemy movements, cut off the opponent's logistical routes, as well as direct friendly troops to the most advantageous tactical positions. This integration of artificial intelligence and autonomous vehicles on the front line proves that the future of war is no longer about who has the most troops, but who has the smartest systems. What do you think about the role of autonomous robots on the battlefield? Write in the comments column.